Vocabulary building of a house. Living room, dining room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, hallway, staircase, attic, basement, garage, patio, balcony, roof, wall, floor, ceiling, window, door, chimney, fence. A house. A house consists of several parts. The living room is where we usually entertain our guests. The dining room is where we eat our meals. The kitchen is where we cook our food. The bedroom is where we sleep. The bathroom is where we take a bath or shower. There is also a hallway, which connects the different parts of the house. The staircase leads to the upper floors, such as the attic or bedrooms. The basement is located underground, while the garage is where we park our car. Outside the house, there is a patio where we can relax and enjoy the fresh air. A balcony is another outdoor space, usually located on the upper floors of the house. The roof is the topmost part of the house that protects us from the elements. The wall is the vertical structure that separates the inside and outside of the house. The floor is where we walk on, and the ceiling is the upper limit of the room. Windows provide natural light and ventilation, while doors are the entry and exit points of the house. The chimney is a vertical structure that helps to release smoke and fumes from the fireplace. Lastly, the fence is the boundary that separates our property from others.